Hello friends, welcome back to Edu World. In this video, I will discuss 10 best websites for internships. Anyone can enroll in that. So let's get started. Internship provides real life experience and exposure. It is an opportunity to learn more about yourself. It helps to develop professional network and connections. Internship can transition into full-time position. It can boost your confidence in professional environments. Let's peep into those 10 websites. Our first website is Internshala. Internshala is one of the most popular and probably the first website which all students or workers with no previous experience should usually start at. This website provides all its users with literally thousands of opportunities in all fields and domains. Students can also use the website to enroll in different training programs like digital marketing, ethical hacking, web development, Python, and many other options. Our another website is Let's Intern. Let's Intern is also another great platform which students can use to get the best possible services. This website exposes students to some of the best internships from a number of large organizations like Myntra, Big Basket, the Indian Express, and PVR Cinemas. Our third website is LinkedIn. You must have heard about LinkedIn. It is a very famous community of professional networks which is known for providing the best jobs. This company connects working professionals on a single platform and allows them to communicate in professional manner. At this website, you can post jobs or even apply for them. However, what most people don't know is that this website also allows people to apply for internships. Our fourth website is Glassdoor. Glassdoor is another great website which allows students and working professionals to find the right job and internships. Employers and organizations can also use this website to hire the right kind of talent and people. There are millions of options to choose from, and to start the application process, you just have to make an ID and password. Fifth website is 2019. 2019 is another great platform. This website is solely dedicated to provide all students with best internship opportunities. Students can register for free on this website through Facebook, Gmail, or their other email IDs. There are many college events which are going on in this website all throughout the year. There is also a very relevant summer training program which is being held by this platform. To get started at this website, you just have to log in and begin your internship. Our sixth website is Hello Intern. Hello Intern is a great platform which is regarded as the global internship expert. This website allows students to apply for various internships with companies, startups, and non-profit organizations. Some of the major opportunities which are provided by this website include Z Media, Vivo, Titan, Decathlon, Citrus, and many other companies. There is also a very interesting global internship program which is offered by this platform. The internship at this portal range from a number of different fields and domains. There are also many training programs which one can enroll to learn new skills and new topics. Our seventh website is AngelList. AngelList is a website that claims to be the point where the world meets the startups. This website has a huge number of opportunities not just for students but also for working professionals. There are major organizations which frequently post their job or intern requirements on this portal, and some of those organizations are Tinder, Patreon, Twitch, Gusto, Yelp, and Medium. Our eighth website is Indian Internship. Indian Internship platform provides students with an opportunity to apply for internships within India. The internship at this platform range in number of fields and domains. However, this website does not have a large number of options to choose from if one compares to it with other websites which are mentioned in this list. To apply for positions at this portal, you will not be required to sign up, and instead you just click on the internship you are interested in, then fill out a form which is present on the site. Our ninth website is oysterconnect.com. OysterConnect.com is a virtual student workforce platform which allows students to contribute to the critical projects which are being completed by different companies. There are over 60,000 students on this platform from 100 plus colleges and 50 plus cities. Most of the students on this website are highly skilled and talented. Our last website is Intern World. Intern World is the largest internship website in India, which provides internships, freelance jobs, part time jobs, and full time opportunities, along with some useful information on interviews and placements. With its wide presence, Intern World offer wide range of opportunities all across the country. It also helps students in nurturing their skills by conducting workshops with industry experts. These were the 10 best websites for internships, which gives an opportunity for students to get exposure and experience on how companies and organizations work. For these 10 websites, I have given the link in the description box. Please go and check it out there. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.